The price of one Fetch coin right now is $2.28. It has lost 7% in the past 24 hours. The price of Fetch ended higher than it started 49.71% of the time. One Fetch has ever been sold for as much as $3.27 in our area. That was a month ago, and the price is now minus 30.21% lower than that high point. There are 17 technical indicators, and 6 of them say to buy and 6 say to sell. Based on technical price analysis, the short-term prediction mood is bullish. The first big rising resistance for Fetch is at $2.33. It needs to close above that level to keep going up. The second major support level is at $2.17. We could see the price drop even more if it falls below $2.17. If it can close above $2.33. On the other hand, it can go up to the next level of support, at $2.51. The Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the last 14 days is now at 53.20, which means that the market is not oversold or overvalued. In the same way, the Relative Strength Index, or SI, for the weekly chart is at 51.98, which also shows that the market is acting normally. 3 times out of 6, the price of Fetch on the last day of May was higher than the open price. 3 times out of 6, the price was lower than the price at the beginning of the month. In the 6 years before this one, October has been the best month for Fetch. 4 times as much Fetch was worth at the end of October as it was at the beginning of the month. 5 times out of 6, the price at the end of April was less than the starting price. April is the worst month. For more information, look at monthly results. The first all-time high for Fetch was in March 2019, and the price quickly dropped to $0.0110, its lowest point in 381 days. This was followed by the second bull run, which took about 2 years since March 2019 to hit a new all-time high. There have been 989 days since the last bull run in September 2021. It took 902 days for Fetch to hit a new all-time high the last time. Our Fetch price estimate says that the price of Fetch could reach $2.78 in the next 10 days. In the long term, we think that the price will be $5.34 in 2025 and $10.47 in 2030. Taking into account all of the past highs and lower time frame predictions, the price prediction for 2040 is $32.92. I think the price of Fetch will be $5.34 in 2025. That's the highest price we think Fetch will go to, and $3.93 is the lowest price we think it will go to. Fetch sightings for the next few days. 26th on May 2024, $2.59. The 27th of May 2024, $2.66. May the 2nd, 2024, $2.66. Wednesday, May the 20th, 2024, $2.67. 33rd May 2024, $2.69. 31 $5.69 on May the 4th, 2024, $2.68 on June the 7th, 2024, $2.71 on June the 8th, 2024, and $3.71 on June the 9th, 2024, $2.78 on June the 1st, 2024.